Astrophotography is a magical pursuit. It allows us to capture the beauty of the cosmos. There are many different types of astrophotography. Some popular ones include Milky Way photography, star trails photography, and deep sky photography. Milky Way photography focuses on capturing our galaxy. It showcases the billions of stars that make up this spiral structure. Star trails photography, on the other hand, captures the apparent motion of stars across the sky. This is due to the Earth's rotation. Long exposure times create stunning streaks of light. Deep sky photography delves into the depths of space. It captures distant galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. Each type of astrophotography offers a unique perspective. They all reveal the wonders of the universe. Astrophotography requires patience, practice, and the right equipment. But the results are truly awe-inspiring. It is a journey of discovery and wonder. So let's explore two fascinating techniques: star trails and Milky Way photography. Star trail photography is a captivating technique. It reveals the Earth's rotation through streaks of starlight. Here's how to capture these mesmerizing trails. First, find a dark location. Light pollution from cities can obscure the stars. Next, use a sturdy tripod. Long exposures require a stable camera. Compose your shot. Include interesting foreground elements for added depth. Set your camera to manual mode. Choose a wide aperture like a low f-number and a high ISO, 800 or higher. Focus on infinity. Ensure the stars are sharp. You can use live view to zoom in and check the focus. Use a remote shutter release or the camera's timer. This prevents camera shake during the long exposure. Experiment with exposure times. Aim for at least 30 minutes or longer. Multiple shorter exposures can be stacked later. Remember, patience is key. It takes time for the stars to paint their trails across the sky, but the results are worth the wait. Our Milky Way galaxy is a breathtaking sight. Here's how to capture its beauty. First, find a dark location with minimal light pollution. Use a light pollution map to find the darkest skies near you. Choose the right time. The Milky Way is visible at different times throughout the year. Check a stargazing app for the best viewing times in your location. Use a sturdy tripod and a wide-angle lens. A wide aperture, like a low f-number, is crucial. Set your camera to manual mode. Start with an ISO of 1600 to 3200 and an exposure time of 20 to 30 seconds. Focus on infinity. Use live view to zoom in on a bright star and adjust your focus manually. Experiment with different settings until you achieve the desired results. Capturing the Milky Way is an incredible experience. Section 4. Star Trails versus Milky Way Photography. Star Trail and Milky Way photography both capture the beauty of the night sky. However, they differ in their techniques and results. Star Trail photography focuses on capturing the apparent movement of stars. It requires long exposures ranging from 30 minutes to several hours. The resulting images showcase streaks of starlight. Milky Way photography, on the other hand, aims to capture the detail and structure of our galaxy. While long exposures are still needed, they are shorter than those used for star trails, typically ranging from 20 to 30 seconds. This allows for capturing the Milky Way's intricate details without significant star trailing. The choice between the two depends on the desired artistic effect. Section 5. Creating star trails with Photoshop. You can create stunning star trail images even with a series of JPEG images. Here's how. First, open Photoshop and go to File, then Scripts and select Load Files into Stack. Next, click Browse and select the JPEG images of the stars you want to use. Make sure to check the boxes for Attempt to automatically align source images and create smart object after loading layers. Click OK. Once the images are loaded, change the blending mode of all layers to lighten. You can do this by selecting all layers and choosing Lighten from the blending mode drop-down menu in the Layers panel. With this technique, you can transform individual star photos into mesmerizing star trails. Section 6. Conclusion. Astrophotography is a rewarding pursuit. It allows us to connect with the cosmos and capture its beauty. Whether you're capturing star trails or the Milky Way, the key is to experiment. Don't be afraid to try different settings and techniques. With practice and patience, you can capture stunning images of the night sky. So get out there and explore the wonders of the universe.